Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are tired of manually saving photos from Messenger on your phone, you are in the right place. Today I'm going to show you how to auto-save those precious pictures. Let's dive right in. The first tip you'll need to do is open the Messenger app. It's that iconic blue and white icon. Tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner and access to your profile settings. Now scroll down and tap on Photos and Medias to access the settings for how photos are saved. In the Photos and Media option, you will find an option that says Save on Capture. Toggle this switch to turn it on. If you want more control, you can also set Open Links in external browsing options based on your preference. It's that simple. Now, when you receive photos in Messenger, they will be automatically saved to your phone's camera roll. And that's a wrap. You have learned how to auto-save photos from Messenger on phone. No more manual saves or missed memories. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.